Okay, I have moved to an area where I can hopefully get GSM coordinates, and I will make sure I do get GSM coordinates. And I will say that GPS coordinates are going to be by default, so I'll comment out this line, calling out this line, and just making the coordinates 0, so I make sure it never grabs them. Okay, so now we upload the code, compile the sketch. GPS coordinates should always be 0. Actually, to make it so that we don't waste a lot of time trying to get the GPS coordinates, I'll reduce the wait time, the elapsed time, by a magnitude of 10. Okay, so right now it is connecting to the GSM network. Okay, attached to GPRS with my APN, triangulating, getting the GSM coordinates. I still left this one at 4 minutes because it does take a bit of time. So this would be the trial whenever the GSM does work, but GPS doesn't. And right now the part it is doing, it's trying to get the latitude and longitude, computing the elapsed time, and then comparing it against the 4 minutes. $80,000 milliseconds have gone by. Should get coordinates any moment now. Now we've made it to 140,000 millis, which is more than halfway there. I'm hoping we get coordinates, and if not, then this will be a trial of whenever the GSM coordinates aren't attained and the GPS coordinates aren't attained. So I might have to increase the threshold for elapsed time. Instead of 4 minutes, make it like 6 minutes to see if we get coordinates. 40 left. Now at 240 millis or 4 minutes, 240,000 millis or 4 minutes, then it'll start GPS coordinates, yeah. And I set the GPS coordinate to less than 24,000. And the coordinates are 0, 0. It's not really getting any real coordinates. It's just assigning the coordinate to 0. And after 24,000, it'll end. And it says we couldn't get coordinates for GPS, so we timed out. Couldn't get reliable coordinates from either GSM or GPS. They are 0, 0. So this trial was GSM not getting coordinates and GPS not getting coordinates. And we timed out. Here we go. Coordinates are still 0, we couldn't get coordinates, so we timed out after the GSM coordinates.